Starting around the 3rd of June 2023, Dogelon Mars for the most part is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.29% in truly most recent 60 minutes. ELON really has a truly all-out market cap of $116,846,613 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,849,415 in a very significant manner. This by and large makes Dogelon Mars especially positioning at 188 in the digital currency market in a for the most part significant manner. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Dogelon Mars cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Dogelon Mars by and large be for the most part worth in 2023, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking? Is Dogelon Mars a very wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2023 in a quite large manner? Will ELON cost explicitly outperform its record-breaking high, which in every way that really matters is very huge? These explicitly are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for ELON's future. Dogelon Mars value expectation 2023 as per the Dogelon Mars estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the ELON cost really is supposed to, in every practical sense, cross a normal value level of $0. The normal, certainly least value worth of Dogelon Mars toward the finish of the for the most part current year ought to sort of be $0, which all things considered is genuinely critical. Besides, ELON can explicitly arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0, which certainly is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars value gauge June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars especially is supposed to especially be at around and in every practical sense, least of $0, which truly is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars cost can especially arrive at a kind of limit of $0, the in every way that really matters, normal cost of $0 USD, which sort of is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars value gauge July 2023. In July 2023, the truly most extreme cost for Dogelon Mars could in a real sense stretch around $0, which is genuinely critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of ELON in July 2023 especially is $0, a truly normal cost of $0, which certainly is very critical. ELON value conjecture August 2023. The Dogelon Mars estimate for August 2023 expects that the ELON may sort of arrive at a fundamentally greatest worth of $0, a very least cost of around $0, showing how besides the minimum cost of ELON in July 2023 in every practical sense is $0, an exceptionally normal cost of $0, which sort of is genuinely critical. Discussing the truly normal value ELON can generally stretch around $0 August, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogelon Mars value conjecture September 2023. In September 2023, the in every practical sense greatest cost for Dogelon Mars could truly stretch around $0, which generally shows that assuming you by and large are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Dogelon Mars cost expectation end of 2023. What will Dogelon Mars explicitly be worth in 2023? Or so they in every practical sense thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of ELON in September 2023 generally is $0, an especially normal cost of $0 in unobtrusive manner. ELON value estimate October 2023. The Dogelon Mars conjecture for October 2023 expects that the ELON may sort of arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $0, a very least cost of around $0 in unobtrusive manner. Discussing the truly normal value ELON can by and large stretch around $0 October, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars value conjecture November 2023. The Dogelon Mars cost for November 2023 may basically arrive at a fundamentally least worth of $0. The essentially greatest estimated cost for the most part is around $0, a significant manner. The sort of typical cost for ELON in a real sense is explicitly anticipated to explicitly reach $0 November 2023, demonstrating the way that Dogelon Mars cost can in every way that really matters arrive at a kind of limit of $0, the very normal cost of $0 USD, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. ELON value gauge December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Dogelon Mars basically is supposed to especially arrive at a truly least value worth of $0, by and large as opposed to prevalent thinking. The ELON cost could for the most part arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest cost of $0, the typical cost around $0, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars commonly passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogelon Mars S cost sort of has shown a kind of good increment of 3.61% in the for the most part most recent 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. From kind of most recent 7 days, the ELON was an awesome vertical pattern and expanded by 1.46%, which especially is genuinely critical. Dogelon Mars by and large has shown extremely in every practical sense. Solid pretty potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to dive right in and contribute, which generally is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars Value Estimate 2023 FAQs. What will really be Dogelon Mars especially worth in 2023? The ELON cost explicitly is estimated to generally arrive at an especially greatest degree of $0, fundamentally least cost of $0, the finish of 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. Does Dogelon Mars by and large have a future? As far as value, Dogelon Mars fundamentally has an extraordinary fundamentally potential to basically arrive at new levels, which basically is genuinely critical. It truly is figure that ELON will increment in esteem, so the ELON cost could truly arrive at a fundamentally most extreme cost of $0, the essentially normal cost around $0 in especially enormous manner. As per unmistakable specialists and business examiners, Dogelon Mars can essentially stir things up around town. The most exorbitant cost of $0 2030. So elon value gauge December 2023. With respect to December 2023, Dogelon Mars fundamentally is supposed to really arrive at a sort of least value worth of $0 in unobtrusive manner. Is Dogelon Mars exceptionally worth purchasing in 2023? Lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogelon Mars' worth by and large is supposed to in every practical sense keep on extending, as lack will in generally support cost rise, which shows that Dogelon Mars value conjecture June 2023. In June 2023 the cost of Dogelon Mars sort of is supposed to generally be at around at least $0, which certainly is very huge. If it's not too much trouble, note, there sort of is a gamble to any venture, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Just certainly put resources into what you can truly achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the really greatest examination conceivable, or so they generally thought.